Hey guys, it's Angela from the blog AngelaMarieMade.com, and today I'm excited to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a weathered wood gray finish. It's one of my favorite wood finishes and it looks great on all types of wood projects, from wood furniture to wood accent walls and more. And it especially looks great for making new wood look old. Two of my favorite pieces that we've used this finish on are my husband's office desktop, as well as our DIY entryway bench. The supplies you need for this project are a pre-stained wood conditioner, Minwax dark walnut stain, white paint. I use Benjamin Moore White Dove, and you want to use flat or eggshell finish, some water, a paintbrush, and sandpaper that's between 80 and 150 grit. I've linked all of the materials needed as well as a full step-by-step tutorial below. Begin by applying a coat of Minwax pre-stained wood conditioner to your wood surface. And before you actually start this step, make sure that your wood has been sanded well and is free of any sawdust. The pre-stained wood conditioner helps to prevent any kind of blotching that occurs with the staining process. Allow the pre-stained wood conditioner to dry for a couple of minutes and then proceed to the next step. Next, apply one coat of the Minwax dark walnut stain using a lint-free rag. Allow your dark walnut stain to completely dry before moving on to the next step. I actually waited overnight. The next step is to apply a whitewash mixture to the wood. To create this, mix about 1 part water to 1 part white paint. For my example here, I did 2 tablespoons of paint to 2 tablespoons of water. And I just used an old measuring spoon for measuring out my paint. Then go ahead and stir the white paint and water together to create the whitewash mixture. Go ahead and apply the whitewash paint mixture to the wood in long strokes with the paintbrush. Allow the whitewash mix to set for about 3 to 5 seconds and then rub over the paint strokes with a lint-free staining rag to smear the paint mixture into the wood. Allow it to fully dry, at least an hour or two. The last step is to distress the wood finish with sandpaper. I used 80 grit sandpaper to begin with, and then I moved on to 150 for a little bit. And you just want to very lightly distress the wood finish with sandpaper until you achieve your desired look in the amount of wood grain that you want to show through. And I just used a wood block with a piece of sandpaper wrapped around it and hand sanded to have more control over distressing the finish. So what do you think of this weathered wood gray finish? I just love how the wood grain shows through along with the weathered gray look. You can add a top coat over your finish if you prefer to. If you're interested in more weathered wood recipe tutorials, as well as how to prepare and protect your wood surface for a weathered wood finish, check out my ebook, Weathered Wood Recipes, linked below. Thanks so much for stopping by.